Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about India population. The study of human population is one of the most important aspects in geography of any region. The human population has many components, but the most fundamental are its number, composition, distribution, and density. Therefore, it is essential to study these components. The study of these aspects also would reveal the workforce of the country. In statistics, a population is the entire pool from which statistical sample is drawn. A population may refer to an entire group of people, objects, events, hospital visits, and measurements. A population can thus be said to be an aggregate observation of subjects grouped together by common population. The total number of people residing in a country at a specified period of time is called as population of that country. India is the second most populous country in the world, next only to China. India covers only 2.4% of the land area of the world, but is the home of about 17.5% of the world's population. It shows that the proportion of population of India is far higher than proportion of its area. Thus, a little more than one out of every 6 person in the world is from India. Next one is census. Population census is the total process of collecting, compiling, analyzing, or otherwise disseminating demographic, economic, and social data pertaining at a specific time of all persons in a country or a well-defined part of a country. It happens in an interval of 10 years. The data collected through the census are used for administration, planning, policy making, as well as management and evaluation of various programs by the government. In India, the first census was carried out in the year of 1872, but the first complete synchronous census was conducted in 1881, and the 2011 census represents the 15th census of India. Population census is the total process of collecting, compiling, analyzing, otherwise disseminating demographic, economic, and social data pertaining specific time of all persons in a country or well-defined part of a country. Distribution of population. The term population distribution refers to the way of the people are spaced over the earth's surface. The distribution of population in India is quite uneven because of the vast variation in the availability of resources. Population is mostly concentrated in the regions of industrial centers and good agricultural lands. On the other hand, the areas such as high mountains, arid lands, thickly forested areas, and some remote corners are very thinly populated, and some areas are even uninhabited. Terrain, climate, soil, water bodies, mineral resources, industries, transport, and urbanization are the major factor which affect the distribution of the population in our country. Highest and lowest population in India. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in the country with a population of 199.5 million, followed by Maharashtra 112.3 million, Bihar 103.8 million, West Bengal 91.3 million, and the combined Andhra Pradesh and Telangana 84.6 million. These 5 states account for about half of the country's population. Sikkim is the least populous state of India, 0.61 million. Delhi with 16.75 million population tops among the union territories. The uneven distribution of the population in the country is a result of several factors such as physical, socio-economic and historical ones. The physical factors include relief, climate, water, natural vegetation, minerals and energy resources. Socio-economic factors consist of religion, culture, political issues, economy, human settlements, transport, network, industrialization, employment opportunity, etc. Density of population. Population density is the number of population per unit of area, usually quoted per square kilometer or square mile, and which they may include or exclude, for example, areas of water or glaciers. Commonly, this may be calculated for a country, city, another territory, or the entire world. It is expressed as a number of persons per square kilometer. According to 2011 census, the average density of population of India is 382% per square kilometer. India is one of the most thickly populated 10 countries of the world. The most densely populated states of India is Bihar, and the state with least population density is Arunachal Pradesh. Among the union territories, Delhi is the densely populated one with 11,297 per square kilometer, while Andaman and Nicobar Islands have the lowest density of population. Population growth and change. Population change refers to an increase or decrease of population of an area from one period to another period. Population growth is influenced by the birth rate, death rate, and migration. These three make the changes in population. Birth rate refers to the number of live births per 1,000 people in the year, and the death rate refers to the number of deaths per 1,000 people in a year. The rapid decline in death rate is the major cause of rapid growth of population in India. Births and deaths are natural causes of population changes. The difference between birth rate and death rate of a country or place is called natural increase. The natural increase is calculated by subtracting the death rate from the birth rate. Thank you, students.